Alright, you guys, so I'm going to be making these keychains out of just these little wood pieces, these wood circles. I already have my images cut out, and I'm going to have glitter on it as well. My keychain parts, I'm going to be using the Mod Podge dishwasher safe. That way, if it gets wet, the image should be okay. So let's go ahead and get started. I haven't even opened this yet. And these are pretty much self-explanatory. Only thing you need to do is put some Mod Podge on it. Go ahead and add your image. And these are great to give out like at the end of the school year. For your child to give out like as gifts to their friends. These are awesome for that. Of course, I told my daughter she loved the idea. However, she did not want to make them. She wanted me to make them. Now this could be used for both earring or keychain. I'm going to go ahead, set that to the side, let that dry. Because I'm going to be adding a coat of Mod Podge on top of Marilyn. Now for this one, you guys, this one is not perfect. Because I could not find my hole punch. So I had to actually cut these circles out. So these circles are not perfect. Not perfect, but not bad. Not too bad. And on this one, I want the glitter to be on both sides. Because originally I had these cut out for some earrings, not for keychains. So these are like, she's not as big as the paper. I'm trying to figure out which side I'm going to put her on. I think I like her on... I actually like her on the blue side and make her stand out, but this side is more girly, more fun, so I'm gonna put her on that side. Just gonna go ahead and add the Mod Podge to the actual image. Now I do need to add some over here because I did not. Press it down, press it down. Let's go ahead and coat this. Or if you want to get like that bubble effect, that dome look, you can also add dimensional magic, and that'll give like that dome glass effect. I'm gonna go ahead and let those dry, and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so all I'm going to do now is pretty much just punch a hole with this into my images. They're not all the way dry, but they're still drying. But I'm just going to go ahead and punch a hole and add the keychain, and pretty much that's all there is to it. Alright, you guys, so these are the completed keychains. I just love how they turned out. You guys can also customize these, you know, for any event, any occasion, pretty much. You guys, look at that. These are super, super, super cute. Super cute. Look at that. And they are very like glossy, as you can see. But if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. I just wanted to show you guys another way of doing keychains. You know, even your teenager can do this. This would be something for them to give out to their friends at the end of the school year. So I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.